Welcome back to Learn and Fun with Adorable Aditi. In this video, I am going to share an essay on unity in diversity. The phrase unity in diversity is often used to describe the social fabric of India. This means that although the people of India have different customs, religions, and languages, they are all united as Indians. This unity comes from a common cultural heritage and the feeling of belonging to one nation. India is a land of diverse physical features. There are snow-capped mountains, hilly terrains, plain, plateaus and coastal regions. There are fertile plains and arid deserts. There are regions of heavy rainfall and those of scanty rainfall. There are regions where the climate is extreme and also those where the climate is moderate. People of India are descended from diverse racial stock and have diverse physical features. They practice different religions, speak different languages, and follow different customs and traditions. They also differ in their dress and food habits. In spite of all these external differences, the people of India have a common feeling of Indianness. They are bound by a common cultural heritage and they share certain basic values. They have more or less the same values and feelings, the same set of moral and mental qualities. Their ways of life are similar and they have almost a similar mindset. When Indians go abroad, they call themselves Indians and are considered and treated as Indians. India has witnessed many foreign invasions in the past. The invaders differed from the native dwellers in respect of religion, language, and culture. Those invaders who stayed on in India mingled with the local people. There was interaction between their culture and the culture of the natives. Indian culture is dynamic and tolerant, so it is absorbed the good elements of the foreign cultures, resulting in a synthesis of many cultures. Thus, Indian culture has become more varied and richer, and the foreign culture slowly became a part of the greater Indian culture. In an atmosphere of tolerance and liberalism, this diversity of the Indians contributes to the variety and the richness of Indian culture and strengthens the national unity. But in an atmosphere of the intolerance and narrow-mindedness, the diversity may lead to a conflict between the different ethnic groups and may weaken national unity. We should therefore create conditions in which people of different ethnic groups become conscious of the similarities which mark them as Indians rather than their dissimilarities. People should be encouraged and inspired to feel proud of India's cultural heritage of being called Indians while at the same time retaining their distinct identities.